What should I do after a vehicle accident? The first thing you should do is stop your car in a safe spot, check yourself and others for injuries, call for help if anyone is hurt, and then swap information with the other driver while taking pictures of the damage and the scene before you leave. Think of it like taking a snapshot in time so nothing gets forgotten later. Right after a crash, your brain is full of adrenaline, so you might feel fine even if something is actually wrong, which is why doctors say some injuries like whiplash or concussions can take a day or two to show up. That is something a lot of people do not know, so it is smart to get checked out by a doctor even if you feel okay. While you are at the scene, try to write down or record the other driver's name, phone number, license plate, and insurance information, plus the names and numbers of any witnesses standing nearby. It also helps to jot down small details like the weather, the road conditions, and exactly where each car was before and after the crash, because these little facts can make a big difference later. If police come to the scene, always ask for the report number so you can look it up afterward. Taking these steps right away protects you if there's ever a disagreement about what actually happened. One of the biggest mistakes people make is saying sorry or admitting fault right at the scene, even if they think it might be their fault, because that can be used against them later, so it is better to just stick to the facts. Another common mistake is skipping the police report for smaller accidents, thinking it is not a big deal, but having an official report can protect you if the other driver changes their story down the road. A lot of folks also rush into giving a recorded statement to an insurance company before they have all the facts straight. So it is a good idea to slow down, gather your thoughts, and maybe even talk to someone you trust first. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.